Software updates ship daily, but traditional documentation struggles to keep pace. Before typing a single word, writers hunt down engineers and parse messy Jira tickets, only to end up staring at a blank screen. Generative AI offers an immediate fix. Feed it the raw code, and out pops a fully written guide in seconds. But language models are built to predict the next plausible word, not to check facts. Left unchecked, they churn out fluent, confident inaccuracies, what the industry calls AI slop. A single hallucinated API parameter or missed security step can break a customer's workflow, or worse, trigger a severe compliance failure. If writers have to comb through every generated sentence to verify its safety and accuracy, does using AI actually save any time at all? Surveys show time spent on traditional drafting shrinks to near zero with AI. Using input-grounded chunking, teams feed raw materials, like transcripts and tickets, straight into a language model. It immediately outputs a logically organized wireframe. No one types an introductory paragraph. Writers bypass hours of organizing notes and outlining, landing directly in the editorial phase. The heavy lifting of creating something out of nothing disappears entirely. Beyond drafting guides, automation scales speed across the entire codebase by sidestepping human narrative writing altogether. In a deployment pipeline, the moment a developer commits an update, an autonomous agent intercepts the Git diffs, the line-by-line code changes, along with open API specifications. The agent translates these changes directly into updated reference libraries, new error codes, and modified API parameters. Documentation becomes a direct output of the code deployment itself, keeping technical references accurate at the speed of software development. But this rapid automation introduces a new bottleneck: the human verification required to ensure those AI-generated updates are actually correct. This scale compares metrics from recent industry tracking. While the time consumed by fact-checking and fixing AI output has spiked, the total hours saved during the drafting phase remains significantly higher. Writers spend this new block of time running generated code samples and testing procedures against the physical software to catch hallucinations. Scrutinizing a flawed draft demands a lower cognitive load and significantly less time than creating a draft from nothing. Net speed increases drastically. Machine writing is far from perfect, but the mathematics of human labor have shifted entirely to favor editing over creating. This workflow shift transforms the technical writer into a context engineer. The daily ratio of the profession has flipped. Instead of spending 80% of their day writing and 20% editing, they spend 20% prompting tools and 80% rigorously auditing the output. Raw typing speed matters less. The premium skills are now information architecture, organizing how data flows, maintaining system governance, and applying deep user empathy to catch nuanced errors. Smart organizations manage this by treating AI exactly like a junior developer submitting a pull request for new documentation. The machine proposes the changes, but a human must review the code, test the logic, and take ultimate responsibility for hitting approve. Maximizing speed depends on automating the heavy lifting, so human intelligence can be spent exclusively on protecting accuracy.